Happy Monday. Hello everyone, it's Caprice coming at you from my studio gallery here in Kimberley, British Columbia. I am not oh, here we are. Sorry. This is been a few years since I've been on Facebook Live. So I hope this is recording. It says 21 seconds in. Monday. Quick pop-up video from me. Just wanting to touch base with my followers. It's been a few years since I've done a Facebook video, and it took me a bit to figure out what I'm doing here. And I just wanted to see how everyone has been coping, and it's a stressful time in the world, and I realized that now is an excellent time to touch base with everyone and see if you're being creative, see if you are coping and how things are with everyone. So please leave a comment down below and just say hello. Ask me any questions you might have. I am just gearing up to get back into my art classes here in Kimberley. They will be online and I'm very excited. I've done some art lessons this summer out in the garden, and I'm so grateful to have had a few students that are local being able to communicate with their art and touch base and be inspired. And I do love to talk about art, as you know, so we were doing that throughout the summer here and there on Wednesday afternoons on the nice sunny days when it wasn't too hot, when there wasn't too many forest fires. Now I'm gearing back up to go on to my Zoom classes every Tuesday and Wednesday afternoons, so drop me a note if you're up for that. There will be information posted throughout. I will keep you up to date. And I am also gearing up for a palette knife lecture at the end of the month, but I'll talk about that more in a minute. I just wanted to share a bit of cheer. Hopefully things are going okay with everyone. Here in Kimberley, the weather's been not too bad. The leaves are starting to change color. And what else did I want to tell you about? I want you to also know I'm going to start doing a regular Facebook Live, probably Mondays. So if you have anything to ask an artist, please do so. Okay, just in the comments, or put a post if you'd like to in the comments here. I will answer any questions you may have either during today's live chat, or if I don't get to them today, I will answer them next week. So anything art related or lesson related, or if you've seen a really good art exhibit or a really fabulous art painting, anything art related, please just comment and I will touch base on that, because I do love to talk about art. And I'd really like to do this on a weekly basis. So check in again next Monday. I will hopefully, this has been a bit of a promptu thing today, so I will put a post about my live session prior to doing it and what time I'll be here, so everybody can show up. And I will answer any questions. What else did I want to say? My art lecture coming up at the end of September. One of the reasons I wanted to come on today is because my next art lecture is about palette knife painting. And some students are a bit intimidated by the whole palette knife process, and I wanted to come on and say that it is the most freeing thing you can ever do if you're a painter. It will loosen you up completely. And next Monday, I am planning on doing a brief palette knife demo for everyone to watch me at work. Just give you a little bit of a heads up as to what I will be doing in my lecture at the end of the month, September 25th, so that I don't want anybody to ever be afraid of paint and canvas. It's the most extraordinary stuff ever, and even when it doesn't turn out, it's still a great thing. So next Monday, I will show you a bit about what it is about, and hopefully you will then want to come and learn more at the end of the month. My lecture will be on Zoom. So no matter where you are, you can tune in. And it'll be a 1 hour demo. And I will talk a lot about palette knife and talk about my favorite palette knife paintings. Yeah, I have lots to share with you. But in the interim, next week will be just a little bit of a taste test. And I do hope you will drop me a note here. Hi, Rebecca. I'm glad you could join me today. Not too many people are online right now. As I said, this was not advertised. This was just a bit of a surprise, but I do hope to be on here on a regular basis. And I want to touch base with people again. It's been a crazy summer. It's been a crazy couple of years. And I haven't been on here as much as I'd like to, but I'm ready to really get back in touch with all of you followers. And yeah, it's that time of year. It's fall. It's time to button down the hatches, I guess, getting set up for what's coming down for the winter. I'm working on a new website, so all those kind of things are starting to come together, and I'm really excited to be back in the studio and be back on video. So I hope you have a really great week. Please do leave some comments, ask me some questions. And the other thing I did want to mention is that there is a Caprice Fine Art Co group here on Facebook. It's all free, and it's part of my art community here. And so if you are an artist, please do join in the group. Or if you are not an artist and you just enjoy looking at art, please join as well. There will also, I want artists to have a safe place to post what they're creating, and to really have a place to communicate with other artists and other creatives, no matter what your medium. If you're stained glass, pottery, whatever, please join in the Facebook group. There are interesting articles posted, and it's just a really great place to be able to communicate with other creatives. Or if you just want to come and enjoy the art, please do join. And there's also another place so you can ask questions and have a variety of people who will be able to hopefully answer and just share. This is a time, where things are a little bit more limited, so we need to share what we have and share where we can and just come together. And I really, we gotta make some happiness happening in the world right now while things are so stressful. So please do join in some of my community. All right, I really look forward to hearing from you all, and hopefully I'll see more of you next Monday when I will do this, when people actually know. I'll post about it. All right, have a great day, everyone, and for those of you who are here, thank you very much, and have a good day. Okay, thanks. Bye for now.